as promised, here is a review for APA 7 for the main types of references you use. You're mostly using journals and websites, so I'm only going over those two. Anything else you want to cite, you can either use the book you were supposed to purchase, use Towson Library citation page to see if they have it, or you can Google how to do something and hope that it's correct. If you Google how to do something, you're going to be able to see the sources that they're using. So if they're using an APA guide, then it makes sense that that one's probably correct versus just someone posting something in a blog. Okay, so let's look at journals. These are journals that are online or on paper. It doesn't matter. It's a journal. So the other thing I want to point out to you is the sequencing of what's here. In over 90% of the items that you will reference ever using APA 7, the sequence is the same. So as we go through this, you will see the sequencing of what is in the citation is the same in all of these situations. So for a journal, you have the author's last name, comma, first initial, year. There are no first names, and we talked about the reason this is true is because when people see a male name, they are more likely to read the article, still to this day. So APA has taken out all first names. Then you will have the name of the article in sentence case. Not italicized. So the article in sentence case, not italicized. Then the name of the source, journal title, this is not in sentence case and is italicized. This is mostly uppercase. Almost every word is uppercased. And it's italicized. The volume is italicized, the number is in parentheses, and the pages are listed. Almost all journal articles will have at least two of these. Some have all three. And then a link or a DOI. When you look at the journal and the website, one of the big differences is what is italicized. So I can tell just by what is italicized whether you're citing an article or a web page. So let's go on to the web page. Again, exact same order. Author, last name, first initial, year. Now in the websites, what you use, the item you use, is in sentence case italicized. Then the name of the source or organization or web page is not in sentence case and is not italicized. So again, I can tell by what's italicized whether it's a website or a journal. And then you need a link to the exact page you used. Do not just give me any link, because when I go to look at the link to see what you used, if I can't get to the page you used, then I don't know if what you're saying is accurately cited. The next one is website with an organization as author. Again, exact same order. You have the name of the organization as it exists. Organizations do not have first and last names. So if it's the Centers for Disease Control, it wouldn't be control, comma, CD, because there are no first and last names. It is the full name of the organization. Please spell out an organization at least once in your list. Then, exactly like above, name of item used in sentence case italicized. Then the name of the source, which is an organization or a web page. That's not sentence case and not italicized. And then a link again to the exact page you used. So there are two main types of references you're going to use in this class, journals and websites. This is exactly how you set them up. It is not difficult when you remember the exact order in which things go. The only thing you have to check on is what's italicized, what's in sentence case, and what's not italicized. Hopefully this is helpful and you can use it as you're finishing up the class.